Hi, Mindy here. Under the bathroom sink can be challenging. How can we make it more organized and functional? I'm going to show you a few different options. Here's the first one using the acrylic bins with handles. This one happens to be for hair tools, keeping all them together. Then here you can put a turntable. You know we've used these a lot of different places in the kitchen. Now I'm going to show you here. That's hair products. And then this has a miscellaneous. It's a little wider than the other. And that could be one option. And you can put like things together, hair products, skincare, etc. Another option would be to do a turntable, a small one in the back that you can see, a larger divided one that you separate according to product. And then you can add this 2-shelf system. It comes in a variety of finishes, chrome, black, white. This is an option that you could do just one of these along with the turntables, or you could do one on each side and do a turntable in the middle. I like to work with my clients to find a solution that works best for them and their space. They might already have some products that we can use. If you'd like some help, reach out to me. I'd love to help you.